Now some of you might be thinking, but Jeremy, what about those times when I need to tackle something a bit more rugged than a polo field? You know, those adventurous moments when the road less traveled calls your name. Well, fret no more because Rolls-Royce has you covered with the Cullinan. This isn't just any SUV, it's a Rolls-Royce SUV designed to blend luxury with rugged capability. Yes, you heard that right, an SUV from the masters of luxury. Imagine the opulence of a Rolls-Royce now in a form that can handle the great outdoors. The Cullinan is every bit a Rolls-Royce, just one that's not afraid to get its tires a little dirty. It's built to take on the elements without compromising on comfort or style. It's still got that imposing presence, that sense of occasion that only a Rolls-Royce can deliver. Whether you're arriving at a gala or a remote cabin, the Cullinan makes a statement. But it's also got the ground clearance and all-wheel drive to tackle a muddy track or a snowy mountain pass. No terrain is too challenging for this beast. The Cullinan is also surprisingly capable off-road. It can climb steep hills and navigate rocky paths with ease, making it perfect for those who crave adventure. It's got something called the Everywhere button, which raises the suspension and adjusts the traction control to help you conquer any terrain. This feature ensures that no matter where you go, your ride remains smooth and controlled. It's a car for those who want the ultimate in luxury and capability. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the wilderness, the Cullinan offers an unparalleled driving experience.